Hey guys, Justin here, and welcome back to the episode of Train Conductor's World. In this episode, we're just going to be doing some basic lift levels that actually got some missions over here. Milan, Matterhorn, and we have Amsterdam. So let's go ahead and do Milan first. Milan's actually quite challenging, so that's why let's see how we go. It's quite a basic area with only one direction on both sides, on two different sides. So basically it's just actually break up into actually two big sections. We got our 15 stars in one round, that's perfect. That was close down there. This is bad. I definitely stopped the wrong train. Wrong train. There we go. I'm trying to move these unknown trains as well to the correct track. That's a lot of number 4s. Oh, that's a crash over there. That's unfortunate. We beat the level. Beat the mission. I would try again, try to beat the area this time. Now, I trust those guys over there is not going to crash over there. Need to focus at the bottom there first. A lot of crap coming in. Oh, I didn't see the bottom. Damn it. I definitely didn't see at the bottom. That's my fault. Oh, come on. Out, please. Let me out. And I'm actually increasing the difficulty for myself. I actually also moved those trains. Because you can see actually the cargo train box, it does shows a little bit of the color for those random trains. But for those random trains, you just actually leave them. It doesn't really matter that they actually just go randomly. Be careful, I need to look carefully this time, all over the map. Number 5's coming in. Bunch of number 5's over there. That's close. These trains are just gonna let it go. I'm not gonna swap them. Oh gosh! Damn it! Let's do it again. I have faith that I can beat this one. Oh, that was so close. Because these things doesn't have notifications when they actually comes in. So that's why I never know that they're actually coming in. Because it just comes in on their own. Without any notifications. Except every single train, they do have a horn when it comes in. They do horn. But for those random trains, they won't horn. It just comes in. Okay, this is bad. Those trains doesn't matter because they don't have a star. Just need to stay focused on moving these trains. Don't even need to care about those random cargo trains because they actually don't have stars on them. So that's why you can actually stop those trains as long as you want. So actually make sure you actually got everything correctly. A lot of shit's coming in. Because it's the end of the level and we beat it perfectly. Nice. How many cargoes is that? Jesus, 98 cargoes. That's a perfect. That's how you beat this level. Stay focused and you should be able to get it. On to the next area, which is I thought it was Leon. Oh, Matterhorn. Okay, let's do it. Matterhorn actually didn't play that many. So remember the strategy, same direction, same track. Let's do a little bit of a detour to pop that thing. You also need to do a detour, just in case I'm gonna crash. This train actually gonna transfer it over right at the end over here. And number 3 coming in over there. Drop it down. Get up there. Same direction, same track. Be careful, a lot of things coming in. That thing needs to stop. This thing needs to stop. This is bad. Let's restart. Still using the same strategy that I used for most of the levels, which is same direction, same track. Guided off the trains actually going to the same direction on one track. You can easily manage them at the end. It's like here, where it's starting to be frustrating. However you think, get down to the number 3 track. Not like here, get down. Okay, let's be careful here. Let's get off the stuff out. This guy needs to go, if not he's gonna lose the star. You stay there. Go at the end. Oh, that's a wrong track. You gotta be kidding me. Matterhorn is tough. It's definitely not easy. Get up there. Careful. Okay, so far so good. Plus that number 1 track is actually busted up there, so that's fine. Okay, this is bad. Get everything down to number 3 over there. Now get up. Get up right now before this thing comes in. Same direction, same track. Same direction, same track. Same direction, same track. You go there. Get up there. You need to stop for a while. Get down. Get down! Oh, I lost a star. That's seriously. It's gonna be a long video. There we go, that's safe. Hopefully I can beat this quickly, then I can get to the last area and end the video. Get down. Get up there. There's a lot of balloons here. I'm gonna pop them with the trains that actually will be going that way. That's a lot of number 3s. This is bad. Same direction, same. Oh, what? You gotta be kidding me. That actually crashed. Unfortunate. We just have to let it go. I would do Matterhorn on my own, maybe. And we have our last area, which is Amsterdam. Amsterdam is not hard. Amsterdam is one of my favorite areas to play. Because it's quite straightforward without too many failures. Not like this, though. Follow the slow train, please. Thank you. And I want you to go and pop that balloon, so that's why I go there. That miss? That number 3 actually missed that balloon over there? Okay, number 4, please help me pop this thing. Thank you. Okay, that's a slow train. Number 2. Number 1. Number 3 coming in. Number 3, number 2 swap. Get that guy down. Up. 2. 3, 2. That was close. Huh. You hold there. That number 1, get up. Swap spot. No! No! The stupid buck again. Oh my gosh. This is frustrating. Let me out. This is so stupid. I hate these ads. Let's try that again. I should be able to beat it. Be careful if this train's coming in, because that slow train always ruins strategies. Slow trains always ruin strategies because they just travel way too slow. Get up there! Oh no, that's a slow train. You gotta be kidding me. Get down real fast. I need to do some detours here. There we go. Got it. Slow train coming in. Get up there. Hold there. Get down. Get up there. Number 1 coming in. 1, 2, 1, 3. Save. 2 first. 4. Number 1. Get down. Number 2, stop. Number 2, get up there. Oh no. Damn it! Wrong train again. I sent it way too high. I probably have beaten that one. That should not be a crash. That you're very close. Just waste some time for this train to get down there. Number 2 over there. Number 1 here. Number 4. Number 1. Number 1. Number 3. Luckily, that's a slower train. They ruin strategies that much. And number 2. Number 1 though. Damn it. Oh, that's fine. We'll call this quit an episode with beat all of these missions. So next time, guys, I hope that I can actually make it over to Verdun. I'm actually very close to Verdun. So that's why I will see you guys next time. Peace!